Hi everyone, welcome to shsirclasses. Today drawing 120-degree angle by using compass. So today we learn how to construct 120-degree angle by using compass. So before starting the video, I have one request to you. Please subscribe channel and press the bell icon for future video notification. So first of all, drawing a line of any length, okay, and the line is AB. Now I'm going to construct angle on the point A. So putting the compass here and taking any radius and drawing a arc by this way. Okay, next with same length and putting the compass here and cut the arc by this way. With same length and putting the compass and cut the arc, so we cut the arc 2 times. Okay, now joining this, okay, we got our angle 120-degree angle. Now I'm going to check whether it is 120-degree angle or not. So now I'm checking. Okay, this is 120-degree angle perfectly. Okay, this is perfectly, so this is 120-degree angle. Okay, therefore angle PAB equal to 120 degree. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.